It's hate and SMG.
I can give you compromise, but she body me act and do not sign. But she give me fun do not. She body looking like a candle for me. But you know follow. What she give me is no dollar. She got body looking by no color. I try already. But you ain't my baby. I didn't you not this time. But you can't be your lady.
It's hate and SMG.
Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome to another beat breakdown, beat tutorial. I go by the name Beats by HCN in case this is your first time. And yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dope song or a good song without having to think of buying plugins for those of us that don't really have the money to buy plugins. And so yeah, this is just basically stock sound. Without wasting much of the time, let me get into the beat breakdown. So yeah, for this one, as usual, I started with this hi-hat, and then normally the hi-hat is on, this is my piano, I just fold it, so after doing that, the next thing I added was my clap, get this Afroswing dance hall vibe. After doing that, I had to bring in the kick, and the sounds that you're hearing is from my HCN Attire kit. It's a free sample pack. If you don't have this, go download it for free. I'm going to drop link in the comment section. So yeah, and the kick sounds like this. So after that, the next thing I did, I'm going to show you guys how I came about, like how I did this vocal chop you're hearing here. So this is just my voice. Like I recorded my voice as an audio, like when you record like you want to sing, then I dragged in a simpler from instruments. I dragged in a simpler, and then I brought in these vocals. You can watch my chopping vocals into making your own chop or something. You can check my videos. You get a tutorial on how I did this vocal chop. Like I've done a tutorial about this, so yeah, I don't need to like talk much about it. And after that, the next thing I did was this clicky organ sound, and I got it from Ableton sounds. You go to like bass session, then you come down to clicky organ bass. So this is what it sounds like, together with the drums. So after doing that, the next thing I added was this sound. It's called higher lane mentality keys. Yeah, I got that also from sounds. I think from synth keys. So just scroll down and you see it there. See, I got it from there. So it sounds like this. Rich sound, man. This is Ableton. This is Ableton sound. This is no plugin, Like this, I was already getting the groove and I was already enjoying this. The next thing I added was the lovely keys, and it's also in this keys section from Ableton stock sounds. And yeah, it sounds like this. Very nice sound, very nice sound. Then I added another basic flanger harp. So yeah, just search for basic flange harp in the guitar and plucked, and you get this sound. Together they all sound like this. Bring it with the clicky organ bass and the vocal chop. let's bring in my vocal so you can get a context. I was just basically vibing, no words, just basically vibing, and that's how I write my songs. And afterwards I try to like pick in the nice words I can use and change some melodies if I have to.
I can give you compromise, but she body me act and do not sign. But she give me fun do not. She body looking like a candle night for me. Boy, you know follow, but she give me is no dollar. She your body looking nice, no color. I can give you compromise, but she body me act and do not sign. But she give me fun do not. She body looking like a candle night for me.
So that's basically it. I was already getting the vibe, and that was how the verse started. And everything you are hearing, every sound you are hearing is basically Ableton sounds, like stock sound. There's no additional plugin or whatever. So the next thing in this the chorus part, I added this sub bass, and you can also get it from the Ableton sounds bass. Just go down and look for sub bass, and yeah, this is what it sounds like. You see, very nice sound, you know, together with this with the vocals. And then after that I added another plugin, another sound from Ableton, nylon mute guitar. I got that from the guitar plug. Scroll down and you get nylon mute guitar, and it sounds like this. And yeah, for this I just added a crystalline from Sound Toys, you know, to give that kind of a reverse feel. And the next thing I added was another sound from like Steel Ableton, Lush Roads, which sounds like this. Sweet chords, right? Very sweet. And to give a little bit of soul, I added this MPE airy, and you can get that from the MPE sounds. Like this is it right here, the first sound, and this is what it sounds like. And yeah, let's try to bring in every sound and see what they sound like just the ones I've showed you. Yeah, and I think the last sound I added was this kalimba plastic, also from Mallet's Everything stock sounds, and it sounds like this. Yeah, I added a reverb just for context, and this is what it sounds like. You know, like crazy sounds. Like this is just basically everything I did, and the next sound was just from koto, hey, tongue twister, kotota. Mute what? Yeah, kotota. Mute snap guitar. You can get that from the guitar session also. It sounds like this. So yeah, like basically every sound you hear is from Ableton. So the essence of me doing this is just to show you guys that yes, you can make good songs as long as you know what good sound should sound like, if I can use that word. So this is just basically what it sounds like. Tell me if you like this track and if I should try to finish it up, because I was just vibing actually. But this is how I write my songs. I make a beat, I vibe on it, and I sit down and try to write words. Then anywhere I feel like the melody can be changed, I do that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Tell me what else you want to see. Tell me if you like this tutorial, and as usual, no excuses, just use what you have. Like you see what I did, man. Laptop no one might make beat, and I was like, nah, not gonna happen. I had to go to my Ableton sounds, pick up good sounds, and try and start to make something nice. And yeah, I was like, let me show you guys what it is. It is what it is. So remember to stay positive, and positive things will always happen to you. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next tutorial video. Peace.
But you looking fine when you come now. I'ma give you more than you can ask from me. I didn't mean to die, say me taller. But you looking fine, but you know for me.